สวัสดีครับวันนี้ผมอยากพูดภาษาอังกฤษก็เลยผมหวังว่าหลายคนจะเข้าใจครับ Hej alle sammen. I dag vil jeg tale engelsk, dels for at gøre det her lidt kortere, men også fordi jeg gerne vil have så mange som muligt forstå det. Hello everybody, my name is Michael Hemnity Winter. I'm the ambassador of Denmark to Thailand. I and my wife has been here for 6 years, and for us it's time to say farewell to all of you. During our stay here in Thailand, I've been very happy to see how cooperation between Denmark and Thailand has increased a lot. Many of you know that thousands of Thai people go to Denmark every year, but also the other way around, lots of Danish people are visiting Thailand and many of them are staying here. On the economic side, I'm also very proud to note that we have increased economic cooperation between our two countries. Several Danish businesses, big ones and small ones, more than 100, are already settled here in Thailand, and more are coming. The embassy, my colleagues, have been very instrumental in helping these companies, and we will do a lot more in the future. But the economic cooperation goes both ways. We also seeing Thai businesses setting up in Denmark. You may know that the Central Group of Thailand has bought the iconic department store Illum right in the heart of Copenhagen. A very nice development where we see that economic cooperation benefits both Danish and Thai people. During our stay here in this wonderful country with the wonderful people of Thailand, I've also been able to engage in other levels, not just government to government contacts, but meeting real Thai people. I've done several presentations, been part of workshops and seminars, talked about very different issues like anti-corruption, human rights and press freedom, management in multicultural settings and organizations, and happiness. It's been such a pleasure to meet all the different Thai people and people from other countries in these interesting presentations at universities and institutions. There's also been a lot of free time for us, holidays and weekends. And my wife and I have been having the pleasure to travel a lot in the country. I've been going on my big motorbike. We've gone by car or by public transportation, seeing many provinces, met a lot of people, and also encountered Thai people where they are. Our next stop is Bangladesh. I wish to congratulate my successor, Mr. Uffe Wolf-Hesche, with his appointment as Danish ambassador to Thailand. A very capable ambassador, experienced. He will be the new captain on the ship. I hope you will receive him well and engage with him and continue the good cooperation here in Thailand. I also wish to thank all of you people that I have met personally. I would also like to thank all of you who have followed the Danish embassy on the social media, in particular this Facebook where we are now. I hope that you will continue following what we are doing at the Danish embassy and engage with us so we can have an active and lively debate about how we best promote cooperation between Thailand and Denmark. ขอบคุณมากครับ พบกันไหมครับ Tusind tak til alle jer derude. Vi ses et andet sted. Thank you very much to all of you out there. I'm sure we will meet again.